Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Xiaomi Mi 17 Ultra comes packed with a massive 1-inch main camera, a 200 megapixel optical zoom sensor, 3 Leica lenses, and support for 4 lossless zoom levels. After spending some hands-on time with it, I have to say, I was genuinely impressed. Riding on the momentum of the Xiaomi 17 series, Xiaomi didn't wait around and pushed out its yearly camera flagship earlier than most competitors. In fact, the Mi 17 Ultra arrives more than 2 months ahead of its predecessor, meaning we're seeing 2 Ultra models in a single year. So what exactly has changed with the Mi 17 Ultra? A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from TechMakey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. My first impression was simple. This phone still feels very Ultra. You've got the familiar Ultra branding in the top right corner and that iconic red ring around the camera. That said, Xiaomi has clearly put a lot more focus on how the phone feels in the hand this time. At just 8.29 millimeters thick, it's officially the slimmest Ultra model yet, and the overall proportions have been refined. The Mi 17 Ultra feels noticeably lighter, and the camera module has been shifted higher on the back, which makes one-handed use much more comfortable. The module itself has also grown in size, which is an important detail for a phone built around serious zoom capabilities. But the biggest change this generation, at least in my opinion, is that Xiaomi has fully embraced a flat display on this ultra zoom flagship. The Mi 17 Ultra now features a large 6.9-inch flat screen, sourced from the same supplier as the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. There are also some fun little design touches, like the volume buttons, which now use a retro circular design. Fashion really does come full circle. Do you remember which phone last used round volume buttons? Overall, the body lines are cleaner, the corners are smoothly rounded like the rest of the 17 series, and once you hold it, you can tell Xiaomi is aiming for a more minimal and refined look with this generation of the 17 Ultra. Every year, Xiaomi's ultra zoom phones feel like they've already reached the peak when it comes to camera hardware, yet somehow the next model still manages to surprise. On paper, the Mi 17 Ultra actually has fewer lenses than before, but in real-world use, the camera experience feels even stronger. It continues to use a 1-inch large sensor main camera, and the new ultra-high dynamic range, or UHR technology, is a clear step up. When comparing sample shots to the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, the difference is obvious, especially when you zoom in. Building textures remain sharper and more defined. Even though the weather during our shoot wasn't ideal, the overall clarity from the 17 Ultra really stood out. When it comes to night photography, most manufacturers lean heavily on software. While this usually results in bright and clear images, they can sometimes look overly processed or plasticky. Xiaomi takes a different approach here by relying more on powerful lens hardware and reducing dependence on aggressive algorithms. The result is cleaner, more natural-looking night shots. For challenging scenes like fire, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra includes dedicated scene optimization. Its new light and shadow fusion technology delivers a wider dynamic range, and in the sample photos, you can clearly see better detail preserved in both the bright flames and the darker surrounding areas. Compared to the 17 Pro Max, the ultra-wide-angle lens on the Mi 17 Ultra features a larger aperture and a wider field of view. In identical scenes, the Ultra captures more of the environment, and the wider aperture produces brighter images overall. In these samples, you'll notice that while sky details are maintained, shadow areas are rendered with greater depth and clarity. During shooting, we also observed that the larger aperture allows for more refined ISO control in low-light situations, which helps reduce the chances of screen flicker. The standout upgrade this time, though, is the 200 megapixel telephoto lens with optical zoom. Space constraints inside smartphones usually force manufacturers to compromise, often choosing between mid-range zoom and long-range telephoto, or limiting both. The problem is that these focal lengths are used all the time in everyday shooting. Xiaomi's solution with the 17 Ultra is clever, a single lens that delivers 4 different telephoto zoom levels. Inside the camera interface, you'll find 3.2x, 3.7x, 3.9x, and 4.3x options, 4 classic focal lengths at your fingertips. A large sensor covering both mid-range and telephoto sounds impressive on paper, but in practice, it's even better. While the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is locked to a fixed 5x zoom, 17 Ultra gives you 4 distinct optical focal lengths to choose from. This not only offers far more flexibility when composing shots, but the most important part is that every one of these zoom levels is true optical zoom. Let's start by checking out this set of outdoor architectural shots taken on a cloudy day. Right away, you can see the advantage of the Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor, especially when it comes to resolution. The overall image quality also shows exactly what you'd expect from a high-end super zoom lens, particularly in how well it handles colors. What's even more impressive is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra's telephoto performance. It delivers lossless zoom across several focal lengths, and there's no obvious color shift as you zoom in and out. That same consistency carries over to this group of indoor samples shot under complicated lighting, where the 17 Ultra keeps its color performance remarkably uniform at every focal length. So how does this telephoto lens hold up at night? This is where the optical zoom really shines, combining a large sensor with a wide aperture in the 75mm to 100mm range. Compared with the 17 Pro Max, the 17 Ultra does a better job controlling highlights, and the overall image clarity is noticeably stronger. If you zoom in on the text on the billboard, you'll see that only the 17 Ultra is able to preserve the fine details. This is exactly the kind of lossless zoom experience Xiaomi is bringing with the 17 Ultra. While it might seem a bit unfair to constantly compare it with the 17 Pro Max, these side-by-side samples clearly show that the 200 megapixel telephoto on the Xiaomi 17 Ultra delivers a much higher level of performance than its ultra-large sibling. From sharpness and color accuracy to shadow detail and flexible focal lengths, the 17 Ultra really stands out. Turning on the full 200 megapixel mode pushes the resolution even further. That said, what I personally enjoy more are the Xiaomi 17 Ultra's new creative shooting modes, especially the time-space camera movement features. Along with subject motion, there are options like red carpet movement and atmospheric free movement. And the key point is that you can adjust the focal length freely while shooting. From my experience, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra doesn't just have powerful imaging hardware, it also offers a wider range of shooting styles, which makes using the camera genuinely fun. On the video side, the phone supports up to 30x zoom, and during telephoto recording, Xiaomi even provides dedicated buttons for 4 ideal focal lengths. It's obvious that a lot of attention has been given to this telephoto system. In the past, some Ultra models focused so heavily on imaging that other areas took a back seat. With the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, that balance has clearly improved, as imaging upgrades come alongside better comfort and stronger overall performance. For example, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra packs a 6800 mAh battery, a solid upgrade from the 6000 mAh found in the 15 Ultra. While it may be slightly smaller than batteries in phones built purely around endurance, it's still an extra 800 mAh inside a similarly compact Ultra body. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and Xiaomi's exclusive ring-shaped cooling pump, the phone reached a maximum temperature of just 38.8 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of playing King of Glory. After 2 hours of heavy use, the battery was still at 82%. You also get 90-watt wired charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and support for 90-watt PPS fast charging, along with triple waterproof certification, improved speakers, and a more stable signal. All of this points to one clear goal. Xiaomi isn't trying to make this just a camera-focused flagship. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is designed to be a true all-round flagship with imaging at its core. To wrap things up, I want to share 2 bold predictions based on my time with the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. First, beyond the camera upgrades, Xiaomi has thoroughly refined the phone's feel, design, and overall user experience, which could attract a wider audience to the Ultra lineup. Second, building on the early success of the Xiaomi 17 series, the 17 Ultra takes full advantage of this momentum and dominates the New Year and Spring Festival period. For a long time, if you're in the market for a top-tier camera phone, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra might be your only real option. Taking these points into account, it's easy to predict whether it can continue the success story of the 17 series. And with that, this hands-on look at the Xiaomi 17 Ultra comes to an end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.